Hello everyone, I'm Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here today because I'm gonna show you how to create this beautiful bouquet of spring, summer flowers for anywhere in your home. I'm gonna give you step by step on how you make this beautiful bouquet on a hand-tied motion, and it's gonna be super fun. So if you wanna see how this is done, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video and share with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for future decorating ideas like this. And if you already subscribed, don't forget to turn the notification bell on for future decorating ideas. All right, let's get started. All right, you guys, the materials we're gonna use for this beautiful floral is 5 stems of viburnum. If you've been following the channel, you know that I love viburnum for spring and summer, and I show you how to make a beautiful basket bouquet for the entryway. So I'm gonna use 5 of these stems. I'm gonna use a variety of peach, orange, and yellow cabbage roses that I purchased at one of my local craft stores. And the secret right here is to keep it very neutral. There's only 2 colors on this, is peach and yellow, and then also the green, and it's gonna keep it very neutral. We're gonna use 2 hydrangeas that I had stored from previous projects. As you guys can see, I already cut them short. We're gonna use 2 of these foliage picks that I also got at my local craft store, as well as 3 stems of fern, and on this case I just chopped off the longest stems of fern that I could find on the bushel. And then also the last thing we're gonna need is going to be a rubber band that I'm gonna go ahead and just put on my wrist because we're gonna use it to attach the bouquet. All right, the first thing you wanna do is you wanna grab your 2 biggest greeneries and you're gonna crisscross them like so, and just go ahead and bend this down and then let the other 2 just go up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and insert all of these viburnums, and I'm gonna start by crisscrossing them. So you wanna insert from the left, and then you're gonna give this a little spin to the right. And you always wanna do that because that's what's gonna give your bouquet that balance motion that you're looking for. As you can see, as you spin to the left, the bouquet keeps on getting that shape. Now I want to apologize for being gone for so long, you guys, but if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I got a new job as a florist and it's very demanding. But I'm here to promise you that every Sunday we'll have a brand new video here, Ramon at Home. So look for videos on Sundays at 5 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. It's going to be so much fun. I'm gonna show you what I do on this place where I work as a florist, and I'm just super excited. All right, so now that I have all my viburnums in, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and insert my hydrangea to fill in on the bottom, and I wanna make sure that those go almost all the way down to the rim where the container will be. So I'm gonna push them all the way down, and I put one right here, so I'm gonna go opposite to that, and I'm gonna put one right on the other side. I'm gonna push it all the way down, letting the viburnum just fly in the air. So then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna divide my flowers, and I have 2 orange. So I'm gonna go ahead and add one of the orange cabbage roses right here, and then I'm gonna go on the opposite side and I'm gonna insert the next one. In this particular case, I like to work in 2s and 3s. So I have 2 orange, then I'm gonna do the same with 2 yellow, and I'm gonna go opposite side to the other side, and I'm gonna insert another yellow. This is a very southern style arrangement type. It's a hand tie, and it's super easy. Once you tie it all together, you're just able to drop this into your container, and this can also be done with fresh flowers. So as you guys can see, we have orange against orange and yellow against yellow, and with the hydrangeas all the way on the bottom. And then I have a few of these really pretty peach roses, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the gaps with this. It's going to be kind of like my filler. And just let your eye dictate where do you want these flowers to go. I just like them to fill in voids like this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and insert a few on the top and just let them fly higher than the other ones. And I have this other one I'm gonna put right here. And then to finish this off, to give it a little bit more of air, what I like to do is just insert some of this fern. Southern style bouquets are very known for fern and ivy. So we're gonna go ahead and insert some of these fern and just let it fall backwards and forward and fill in your arrangement. I'm gonna add one more right here on the crown, and that's what's gonna look like. So then I'm gonna take my rubber band that I had earlier, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the top of the bouquet right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist once to secure it. And then I'm going to go down just to the ones right here. And then I'm going to go around this and just leave it on the stem like that. All right, so far so good. So what we need to do is grab our container right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and bend these stems upward right about there so I can just drop it. And I would cut them at this point, but most likely I will reuse these viburnum, so I'm just gonna go ahead and bend them up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and drop this bouquet into the container and give it a little fluff like so. Bend these guys downward so they can really show. And just like that, you guys, you have a beautiful bouquet. Very simple to make, very affordable, and very, very elegant for spring and for summer. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with the friends. Leave me a comment down below if you want to see more videos like this, and if you are as excited for new videos every Sunday. I cannot wait to read your comments since I haven't posted a video in a while. I'm really excited to answer all of your comments, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for future decorating ideas and floral arrangements like this. All right, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.